Ever wished you could snag that must-have item now without breaking the bank? Klarna might just be your answer. Klarna isn't just a way to delay payments. It's a tool that gives you flexible financing options to spread the cost of your purchases. Let's break down how you can borrow money using Klarna's financing. First, download the Klarna app from your app store and create an account or login. Now browse your favorite online stores or right within the Klarna app. When you find something you love, add it to your cart as usual. At checkout, look for the Klarna payment option. Select it to use Klarna's financing. You'll see different payment options to borrow money in installments. Choose monthly financing. This lets you pay over a longer period. You'll be asked to fill out a simple application. Klarna will check your credit to determine your approval and interest rate. This process is quick and easy. Once approved, you'll see your credit limit, your interest rate. Be sure to review this carefully and the estimated monthly payments. Confirm your purchase and set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. This helps avoid late fees and keeps your credit in good standing. And that's it. You've successfully used Klarna to finance a purchase and make manageable installment payments and gotten what you wanted easier than ever. Remember to spend responsibly and only borrow what you can comfortably repay.